bathroom. I'm going to be doing... I've seen this done. I don't know where, but you can turn the camera around. I'm talking to Jones. Yeah. I'm in my swimsuit right now because I'm doing a YouTube video, but they don't need to see anything below. But anyways, we are actually going to be doing a shower thing. I'm going to be putting this over there so you can actually see me. But let me position the camera where I want it, and I'll see us then. Okay, I just hit the toilet. Okay, guys, so the thing is, you put the shower on as cold as possible, and you jump in it.
Oh, God.
Okay, I just hit the toilet. Okay, guys, so the thing is, you put the shower on as cold as possible, and you jump in it.
Oh, God.
Alright, I'm actually gonna let Jones see this because it's really bad. Oh my god. My hair is wet because I just realized after this video.
Is it cold?
I'm actually getting the actual physical shower, so I have to turn the camera off because this stuff has to come off, this lower thing, you know, swimsuit. So, I'll see you guys later. If you like this video and want to see more videos, then same me, then make sure you go like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye!